Unit 3 study guide, problem number 3. In this problem, we want to take this standard form equation, y equals x squared minus 3x minus 28, and factor it, and use that factored form to find the solutions. So remember the factored game, or rather factoring in quadratics is just playing that number game. So what two numbers are going to multiply to give us 28 and add to give us negative 3? And that should be a negative 28. So again, one technique we can use to solve this is to start listing factors of 28. So I'll always start with 1 and 28. Then how about 2 and 14? Then how about 4 and 7? And I think that should be about it. And now we just need to find a combination of these that are going to get us to add to negative 3. So since our constant term, negative 28, is negative, one of these two terms has to be negative. And since I noticed that my number is negative, negative 3, that means that of the two numbers, the larger one has to be the negative one. So negative 28 and positive 1 do not add to give me negative 3. Negative 14 and positive 2 do not add to give me negative 3. But negative 7 and positive 4 do add to give me negative 3. So those are my numbers. I get x minus 7, x plus 4. Because again, finding the numbers is just the first step. Then we want to go ahead and actually write it as a product of two linear factors. Because now we can look at this and say, okay, well, x minus 7 equals 0 is going to be 0 when x equals positive 7, and x plus 4 equals 0 is going to be 0 when x equals negative 4. So those are our two solutions, x equals 7 and negative 4, because of the zero product property, which says if you have two numbers and you multiply them together, one of them's got to be 0 if the whole thing's 0, or both of them. That's it.